Welcome. I've been out here since about 5:12 now, about 10 o'clock, 10:30. Got started on fabricating my Lambo doors. They go to hinge, it's all in. I still gotta do the wires, but the door's on. Let's go ahead, test them out. Gotta put a little ass on it. Doors just don't lift up. Yep, there's one. And that's what happens when you don't do the wires when you're supposed to. You start breaking them off. So now I gotta go in there and redo those, extend those, fix them. That's pretty much it. And it's finished.